Wonders! I hope this video message finds you well. Welcome to our second module. And I'm rocking my Kings hat. It's the playoffs for hockey. So go, Kings, go! I hope you're well. We kick off with our fact of the week, and it happens to be about cats. And did you know that a cat sleep an average of 15 hours per day? Living the life, huh? Imagine that, 15 hours spent sleeping. That is our fact of the week. Now, for this module, let's take a look at what's on the docket. We have our thematic unit of intertextuality, which is our one of our big topics for this week. And of course, assigning our first essay accompanying brainstorm too. So let's get into that and let's check that out. The first thing we're going to do is look at our reading by Lenny Irvin. And this reading, when I read it the first time when I was in college, it was super helpful. And it really demystifies the work of academic writing. So, what to expect, how to move forward, and it debunks myths. So, look at this article, and you're going to write in at least a paragraph response about some of the golden quotes, the things that you learned, how you can use these things to your own writing, to your own academic writing, right? And feel free if you want to embed an image too, then that's okay. You can just drag it in. So that is that one. Make sure to get that in. Our, our first reading for that. This is our lesson on intertextuality. Please check it out. These are the accompanying notes that go with it. So make sure to have that open while you follow along and take notes, I recommend. This is the accompanying homework that goes with that. Check that one out. To front load our first essay, we have our article about Hot Cheetos, the creator of Hot Cheetos, which actually it's a story that hits close to home. It was right here in Guasti, so which is by Ms. Rancho Cucamonga, right? So read this and consider these qualities of how Richard Montañez was able to achieve his goal, right? Achieve this big feat, yeah? And this is going to front load our essay about dream chasing. And as you can see, the deadlines, because as you watch the video, just have your deadlines in mind, which first thing is our outline, which is going to be due Sunday. We're going to have our peer review workshop for next time, next week. You're gonna post it by Wednesday. I'll explain that next week, so don't worry about that. Just know that for all our essays, we're following a series of steps. Writing is a process. So the first thing that we have to put our attention to is the outline, right? That's coming up. I explain the prompt in this video, so check it out. And of course, I have some student samples that you can look at. This is the brainstorm, which is due May 4th. I recommend getting a wall calendar so you can write all your deadlines, everything that's coming up, so you can anticipate and be intentional with your efforts. Another thing, I don't know if you knew this, but if you click calendar here on Canvas, it actually populates for you the assignments that you have coming up. So that's always helpful. You can transcribe what you see on your Canvas onto your wall calendar. So, my friends, that is what I have this week. I wish you a lovely week. See ya.